Roman Catholic Church, before there was a Greek Orthodox Church, before there was an Armenian church, before there was any other church, there was the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, the oldest standing church to this day. So if you want to talk about the African roots of Christianity, you need to start down in Ethiopia. Don't let somebody tell you your faith is the white man's religion.
ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን። ኦርቶዶክስ ተዋህዶ መንገድ ናት፣ ለዛውም ቀጥተኛ ሕይወት ናት፣ እውነት ናት፣ እውቀት ናት፣ ተስፋ ናት፣ ዘላለማዊ ናት። ዘር፣ ቀለም፣ ብሔር፣ ቋንቋ ያላት፣ ዘሯ ሰማያዊ፣ ቀለሟ ብርሃን፣ ብሔሯ እግዚአብሔር፣ ቋንቋዋ ፍቅር።
ቅዱስ ሐዋርያ ጳውሎስ ሰናየ መልእክት ፈዋሴ ዱያን
እንዲህ እያለች የምታመሰግን የምትቀድስ ፈጣሪዋን የምታመልክ ቀጥተኛ መንገድ በጎቿን የምትጠብቅ የምታስተምር
mysterious and eternal. And to the degree, when I go to Orthodox Christian ceremonies, I think I'm probably most at home there, I would say, because all of it's ancient and all of it's liturgical and musical, and there's no propaganda. And it's such a relief.
ግና ቀጥተኛ እውነተኛ ትክክለኛ ነገሮች ሁሌም ስለሚፈተኑ እውነት የሆኑ ነገሮች ሁሌም ስለሚፈተኑ እነሆ እቺው ቤተክርስቲያን ሁሌም በፈተና ውስጥ ትኖራለች። ከጥንት እስከ ዛሬ ወደፊትም ትቀጥላለች።
These are not your typical women. I have so much love for the Ethiopian Orthodox community. Ethiopians are some of the most dedicated people to the Lord. The women in Ethiopia are known to veil almost all the time. Pure dedication to God. Watch as these young men prostrate in the rain during Holy Week. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church is one of the oldest churches in the world. Its origins are traced back to 4th century AD. Ethiopia has around 49 million Orthodox Christians. The Orthodox traditions have been preserved in the Ethiopian society. Throughout history, the Ethiopian community faced a lot of challenges. Things like being isolated from other communities. However, the Orthodox Church has played a significant role in Ethiopian identity and culture. And in modern day, the Orthodox Church in Ethiopia continues to have a vital part in society. Everyone show all love to the Ethiopian people. If you have an Orthodox friend that's Ethiopian, they're fasting for Lent at this time. It makes me so happy and warms my heart to see people dedicated to the Lord. Ethiopians, you guys have preserved so much of the biblical teachings that in modern society you cannot really see anymore.